Can you show me your flowers? Okay, show me one. What color is that one? What color?
Orange.
Yeah, what's the next one? Ooh, what color is that one?
Purple.
Yeah, what color is that one?
Purple.
What color is that one?
Yellow and purple.
Oh, you're so smart.
Yellow too.
You are so smart. Those are beautiful flowers.
That's the house.
How many houses? How many?
You didn't count all of them.
3? Yeah. 3. Good job. Show me your lavender.
Can you?
Beautiful.
There's bugs on here.
There's bugs on there?
Yeah.
You know what those flowers are called? Hibiscus. Can you say hibiscus? Good job. What color are they?
They don't have more lemons.
Lemons? Where do you have lemons?
Here.
On a tree? That's an orange tree.
Can you get some orange honey, Mom?
Can I get more what?
Some orange honey?
No, they're all gone.
There's some couple.
Oh, were they way up there? I don't know.
There you go. Can you hold that?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Thank you.
What are you going to do with it?
You going to take it home?
Yes. I'm going to take a selfie of me.
You're obsessed with taking a selfie. I'm just taking a video of you.
I want to.
I'm taking a video.
I want to take a selfie.
Ah!
I want to take a selfie.
Oh, we're watching the Academy Awards. Okay, turn around. Look at me. Can you say Oscars? Oscars. Say it. Oscars.
You're very tired.
Yes. Nanny is tired. I bet I got up before you did today. Did you go on a walk with Daddy today?
I didn't.
I bet you did.
Didn't you go to the park?
We did.
And what did you do at the park?
We did.
Okay, what award hasn't Mad Max won so far? The acting one. A snake? Daddy said it was a snail.
And what else? Did you ride on the slide?
We did.
You did.
What's Daddy today?
Daddy today?
It was very fun today.
And did you ride on the swings?
No,
No.
I didn't. Back.
What are you doing? Why does this camera chooses not to focus lately? I don't know why.
Rockabye little shoe.
Rockabye little shoes. Look at that. The chair has shoes. Look. It's R2-D2 and C-3PO.
That little new guy.
I don't remember what his name is. I don't know. I've not seen it.
Rockabye.
What are you doing, monkey? You reading a book? Or are you making a mess?
The rainbow. I'm gonna read this one.
Wait, come here. Didn't you already look at that one? Oh no, you looked at the animal one.
It says, in a yellow dress, Belle is pretty as can be. Purple fish swim by Ariel under the sea. Little fish are purple. Jasmine tosses oranges way up in the air. Black is the color of Snow White's lovely hair.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, girls.